Vanakkam. It's been a sheer joy to be here. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Let me start by congratulating Sri Sadhguruji and Isha Foundation for doing such a fantastic job. And you all, by being here, it has made even special. I noticed a couple of matches here, and what I appreciated the most was in the spirit that both the matches were played. They were competitive, but played in the right spirit. If the referee gave a decision, they accepted. So which was very, very good to see. More than 7,000 participants make this event a special one, and you can see the response. It's been simply incredible. I've heard so much about this, but to be actually present here and to witness is even better. Being a sportsman, sports mean everything to me. Sports for all is something that I encourage everyone in India, because sport taught me a lot of things in life. To be disciplined, to be focused, to have your routine organized. Not always I went out and I succeeded. There were a number of occasions when I could not do well. But sport taught me to get up on my feet again and to compete in the right spirit. I really like this idea, and that's why when I landed here and saw video again on this, I suggested to Sadhguruji, why don't we start something like this in the village that I have adopted near Nellore, Puttam Raju Kandriga, because it is helping the community to come closer, stay tighter in difficult times, and that is what sport teaches you. Sport teaches you teamwork, and teamwork can never fail. It teaches you to take care of one another, to sacrifice for your colleague, to back him up when he's not doing well. And I saw that here as well. I mean, you played in partnerships. There was a lot of understanding when you played volleyball and handball. And that, if you apply it to your day-to-day life, most of the problems are taken care of. Sport is important. Sports for all is important to me because it is about changing our lifestyle. I find something that I'm not really proud of is we are the diabetic capital of the world. And that is all due to our lifestyle, our habits. We have to change those habits. We have to learn to lead healthy lifestyle. And healthy lifestyle means going out and engaging yourselves in some or the other outdoor activity, some sporting activity which takes care of your health. I still remember, as a youngster, my grandmother always told me, take care of your health because health is your true wealth. So in all, what I'm trying to tell you is, if we all look after our health and respect what we've been blessed by the Almighty, our nation will get healthier, and the healthier you are, better results you are going to expect, and consistent performance in whatever you choose to be in life, be it a lawyer, doctor, or sportsman, engineer, whatever it is. Fitter you are, more consistent results. So all I want is fitter and healthier India. In return, we'll all be smiling for times to come. I just want to share one more thing which possibly most of you wouldn't know. As a child, in my building, I did play volleyball, and I had a lot of fun, and that continued all the way, even in Indian cricket team. Before the game started, we played volleyball. So it's all about playing sport, and sport is something which will give you a reason to smile. And I'm smiling today because I've been able to spend time with you. Once again, thank you very much for inviting me here, and to all the champions, you've really done well, and to the guys who have participated in this tournament, you're all winners because you won my heart by participating and being here, playing sport in the right spirit. Continue to do so and give us all a reason to smile. Namaskaram.